Mr. Everything saying, why are you finding out? What a wonderful life. And again, I'm here. I'm here to share and to have my first YouTube tutorial. This is my first time having a YouTube tutorial, and I hope that you will not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my videos. And so I will be teaching you on how, no? So today I'll be teaching you Android screen recording. Yeah. The easiest way to screen record on your Android mobile phones. So please watch and learn. Don't forget to subscribe again and click the bell button. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you have to do is to download the app. The app that I'm using is this one. It's what we called DU Recorder. So you go to Play Store and look for the DU Recorder. And once you search that, you'll see a lot of options here. So it's all up to you. Which one are you going to choose? So the one that I've been using right now is this one. Yeah, this one, which is the screen recorder with audio master video editor, pro video editor, and music video maker photo collage. Now the first thing I would suggest is that you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Aside from a strong internet connection, um all you have to do is to navigate and explore a couple of times, because I know by exploring and navigating this app, you will learn a lot. So let's start the basic, no? Basic on how to have a screen record. Most especially, as you can see, there are a lot of options there. So that's why there are a lot of people who would like to know how to use this, because they are going to use this in their blogs. So right now, this is the um this is the app. You can see here the video settings there, and we have the image here if you have, and the tools that you will be using. Okay, so here you can see this small circle. This one, all you have to do is to press this one, because this is the DO recorder. So as you can see, I'm starting to record, and the time is being projected, and these are the tools that you will be using. So try to navigate. This one are the recording tools. You see, there are the cameras, the personalized watermark. You can disable it. That I am disabling the personalized watermark. And yeah, the brush if you want, then the pause and the stop, then the record button. So as easy as that. And then you can screen record whatever you want to record on your screen using your app, or using your phone or your iPhone. So it's so easy, right? So I hope you can share this to people who wanted to know how to screen record. And yeah, that's it. All you have to do is to stop it and upload it, or um edit it in your editors like kind master. Yeah, and then this is how you're going to close it. You just put it in the X so that you're done recording. So continue, so like that. And yeah, if you have questions, you may comment down below, and please don't forget to like and share these videos to your friends. Thank you so much. And this is Mr. Everything, who wants to make you wonder. And I love you. Bye bye.